everyone, this is a condensed version of the video I did for Notion. It's suited to people who already have experience with Notion and are wanting to quickly fill in that extra puzzle piece on how to bring tasks from multiple projects into a daily task view. If you are new to Notion, please check out my other video that goes a little bit slower and goes into more detail on what Notion is and what it does. The central part of this system is a to-do table that houses all of the tasks across multiple projects. So the minimum that you need in here is a name, a date, which is a date type, a status, which is a select type, and a tags, which is a multi-select. And in here I've already set up some existing tags that I'm going to use for this example. So there's going to be 3 projects, a social media calendar, and a customer service. The next thing we're going to need is an overall dashboard page. I've already set up an inline gallery here with some project cards for each of the sample projects that we've got. And over here is where we're going to house all our daily tasks that are pulled in from the projects. So under here, I'm just going to type /link, create link database. I'm going to choose the table that we created earlier, switch it to a Kanban board, delete out the old table view. Then I'm going to create some statuses. We can hide this, we don't need it. And then add some filters. We only want it to show where the date is today, because we only want it to show today's tasks. Okay, so with that in place, we can add some tasks into one of our sample projects. So if we click in here and do exactly the same, /link, create link database, choose the same table. We're going to create filters in here as well. We're going to choose where the tag meets this current project. And we're going to add a group filter so that the status contains to do and in progress, because we don't want to see anything that's completed in here. So now when we click to create a new task, you'll see it automatically fills in the tag for this project and marks it as to do. So create a couple of sample tasks. I'll add in today's date, tomorrow's date for these ones, and close out of there. And you can see both those tasks didn't appear, but the task for today did. If we do the same for a second project, create link database, select the table, put in our filters, create a new task, we'll also mark that as today. So now we've got the 2 tasks in here. Now when you want to work on one of these tasks, you can just drag it over to the in progress, and once it's done, to completed. We can also add in separate pages for social media. And on here we can type /link, create link database again, choose the same table. This time put it as a calendar view, delete out the table view, mark it as full page. And we want to put filters in here as well to say that we only want this to be showing tags where it is for social media. And we're not going to add any group filters because we want to see any promotions that we have even after they are completed. So now we can add in a task here. Put in a status of to do, and you can write in whatever you want the social media promotion to be about. If you want to drag them around, if we want to see it on our daily task board to make sure that it works, we can drag it over to today's date. And if we go back to our dashboard, you can see it's now in here as well. The same can be done for a customer service page as well, or any other pages you're wanting to add in. So once you have a central table in place with all your tasks, you can leverage the power of linked databases and filters to work with multiple projects and other areas of your business, and have all those tasks combined together under a today view. Hope this helps demonstrate how powerful Notion can really be for managing multiple projects and tasks. And if you have any questions at all, please feel free to message me or drop them in the comments. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.